Ready to ditch cable and dive headfirst into your favorite anime, right on your Firestick TV? Let's get started. First, make sure your Firestick is plugged in and connected to the internet. You should be seeing the home screen right now, similar to this. Navigate to the search icon, usually located in the top left corner of the screen. It looks like a magnifying glass. Click on the search icon and type in Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll is a popular streaming service specifically dedicated to anime. Select Crunchyroll from the search results. The correct app icon should look like this. You will be taken to the app page. Click the Get button to download and install Crunchyroll onto your Firestick. Once installed, click Open. You'll likely see a loading screen like this as the app launches. If you already have a Crunchyroll account, select Sign in and enter your credentials. If not, you can sign up for a free account or premium subscription right here. And that's it. You can now browse through thousands of anime episodes and movies right on your Firestick. Enjoy your anime binge.